హాయ్ గాయ్స్ వెల్కమ్ దొబ్బింది హాయ్ గాయ్ ఇంకా ఆన్ చేయకుంటే ముందే చెప్తున్నాను నేను హాయ్ గాయ్స్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్
హాయ్ మీరు మాట్లాడండిరా
గైస్ నా అవుట్ఫిట్ చూపిస్తాయి అలా
ఎలా ఉన్న అవుట్ఫిట్ చేస్తా అన్నారు సో ఇచ్చిన ఈరోజు అఖిల్ కెమెరా డ్యూటీ మొత్తం
ఇవాళ మొత్తం మేము షూట్ చేస్తాం గైస్
ఏం మాట్లాడుకో అర్థమైతే
ఆపో we have just completed our Java lab and today I and Akhil have decided something. We are going to shoot today's vlog. Let's go.
మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ టేక్ ఓవర్ మై బ్లాగ్ మీరే తీయాలి ఈ బ్లాగ్ అంతా
Let's go now. I'll show you our classroom guys. Let's go. See this girl. Her shokulu.
గైస్ నా స్టైల్ చూసా చూడండి
Guys, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Akhil, please stop.
హాయ్
అరే దీన్ని కూడా బ్లాగ్ తీస్తారు రైట్
Manas is in Thailand, guys. He's enjoying his vacation.
we are surviving labs
అరే వీళ్ళు బ్లాగ్ లో
We
షూట్
just
చేస్తున్నారు దీన్ని కూడా
video called him and
Manas you can
Manas,
show
you
your
can
face
show your
kada
face. So guys, you can see Manas.
చెప్పినా కదరా
we don't stop disturbing him even in international trip guys
Guys, I'll show you.
for lunch I don't know
Yeah,
what
I'll show you first, guys. This is rice. And this is chicken.
మళ్ళీ
Beetroot rice, guys, again.
చికెన్
rice.
నా లంచ్ కంటే తిన్న లంచ్ బాగుంది ఓ సారీ చిన్న చిన్న పీస్ లేదా
ఇగో
ప్రోటీన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్
We just finished our Java lab, guys, and Pakhil
the concept for this video is they will be shooting the entire vlog I'll be doing nothing
Akhil, do you wanna eat chicken? Oh, I forgot. You're vegetarian.
అసలు ఫస్ట్ నేను అక్కడ
బాగానే
చూసి
origin
ప్యూర్ నాన్ వెజిటేరియన్ అనుకున్నా
Innocent Siddhapusa
అనుకున్నాం ఫస్ట్
Yeah, name
బట్ ఇట్ టర్న్ అవుట్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ బ్లాగ్ లో కూడా అట్లనే కనిపిస్తుంది
What's your opinion on me?
ఫస్ట్ యాటిట్యూడ్ అనుకున్నా గైస్ బట్ షీ సచ్ అ స్వీట్ గర్ల్
Guys, next month I'm going to turn 19.
ఎంజాయ్
She's still 18, guys.
గైస్ గెటింగ్ ఓల్డర్ ఇస్ నాట్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫీల్ హ్యాపీ
My
అబౌట్
last year in my teenage life.
గెటింగ్ ఓల్డర్ మీన్స్ గెటింగ్ మోర్
Guys, I'll show you Meda. Meda. She bought a Frankie, guys. Say hi to our vlog. Abhishek is absent today,
స్టాప్ మిస్సింగ్ హిమ్
and Manas is enjoying his vacation, guys, without us.
పట్టాయా అనుకుంటూ పెట్టాడు కదా పటాయా సిటీ కరెంట్లీ యూజ్ పటాయా సిటీ థాయిలాండ్
So, guys, we are done with the college.
10 minutes అవుతుంది స్నాప్ పెట్టడానికి చేస్తుంది
See, guys, it's beautiful weather. Yeah. Let's go. This is the bus ground. You can see all the buses are parked here. So guys, now we are going to Sahiti's bus. Let's go. Akhil, chap Akhil. This is Sahiti's bus, guys.
దిస్ ఇస్ సాహితి దట్స్ హర్ బస్ ఐ మీన్ మై బస్
అప్పు ఇందాకన్నది ఏంటిది కెమెరా ఆపేయాలా
అరే నువ్వు అంత జూమ్ చేయకు బేసికలీ ఐ లవ్ వ్లాగింగ్ అండ్ వెన్ దీస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ వ్లాగింగ్ ఇట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ వెరీ మచ్ పీస్ఫుల్
పీస్ఫుల్లా ఆపేయమన్నా కెమెరా
అయ్యో ఏదో మాట్లాడిస్తున్నా గైస్ ఐమ్ స్టామరింగ్ అ లాట్ టుడే done for the day guys it's Tuesday I didn't go to college on Monday and because I didn't go she also skipped it for me అప్పటి నుంచి పొద్దు నుంచి వస్తున్నా ఫిట్ చెక్స్ మీద ఫిట్ చెక్స్ not even giving a break
This is our classroom. Hey guys, so we just completed our Java class and we are waiting for our maths. But We came to canteen, guys. We were very hungry, so.
And the
Guys, look at this girl. We are waiting in the canteen, guys.
what if she takes attendance?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Bhaiya, hi bolo.
We are getting late for the COA class. It's already 11:05.
Guys, our pizza is ready. ఎక్కడ కూర్చుంది చెప్పు.
Aya ne bahut der kar di. Very late for the class. But our pizza is ready.
in our hands. Yeah.
Akhil.
We'll see how it tastes. It is basically veg pizza. మీరు ఎట్లా కట్టించడం వింటది. Oh, cheese pull, guys. Cheese pull. Wow, it's actually a cheese pull. Look. Let me taste. Akhil, now you also take one piece.
ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటారా మీరు ఇప్పుడు?
Cheese pull బాగుంది, guys. Amazing. We are done with the classes. We are left with only one lab, that is DOE lab. That's after lunch. Akhil, it's lunchtime now. See what it brought. It's lemon rice, guys. Lemon rice.
నాకు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్
Veg biryani. See what Saiti has done. She's busy, guys.
Unboxing my lunch box.
Yeah.
ఇలా ఒక రైతు బజార్ కవర్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. Let's see what's for lunch today.
Again, beetroot rice.
It's exciting.
Nice. Akhil, nee lunch ain't Akhil. It's cauliflower. Akhil's lunch. Tinega. So you Rohita.
What's wrong, guys? Why are you fighting?
Yeah.
At the end.
నేర్చుకో నచ్చావు గుడికాయలు అక్కడ కూడా నచ్చావు ఇసుక కూర ఇంకా మంచి తర్వాత
Egg fried rice ఎలా ఉంది?
మానస్ కాలింగ్.
Do you want to say something? Say start.
You usually speak so much now. Something you speak and these both people are doing.
ఓకే ఎవరు ఒకటి కానీ నీకోసం చేస్తున్నావు కదా
No, not for me. I was not interested to shoot this week. He's having speakers and shooting children.
Guys, we
ఏమైందిరా నీకు ఎందుకు ఎప్పుడు అట్లా చిరాకు పడుతుంటావు వెయిట్ చేసిందా అరే కారాప్రా లస్సీగా ఇంద్రా
Okay. So guys, basically we are in our
Dimensions of engineering.
Our two team members are absent. Laksh is also absent. We both have handled every single thing. Now we are having Viva in less than 5 minutes. These are all the observations that we have got from all the research papers and all
Now
that.
we are discussing and preparing
Discussion
for the
is
Viva.
done. Discussion is done. Now we have Viva and we are perfect. We are confident because we have discussed, we have got a perfect knowledge about what our task is. Yeah.
So while the time lapse is going on, let me quickly tell you what our ma'am actually asked us in the Viva. She asked us to explain the process in the back end of our game. So we clearly explain why do we use Java than other languages. Of course, we can use other languages like C, Python to develop the game. But because Java has many advanced features, it's simple, secure, and you don't have to repeat the code again and again. You can reuse that code, and also it's robust, multi-threading, and there's so many other features. So I think Java is more beneficial, and all these things were explained by our own ma'am to us. She explains the subject very well, and also the way we presented the scrapbook and all that, she was so impressed. She even gave a compliment. She said, "Good, keep it up." So we are very happy.
When we were telling about our task, our game, it didn't took much time. Ours was done in fraction of minutes. She was like, wow, good. She said good. One compliment from ma'am. Confidence to rock in the next sessions.
We nailed it, guys, as of course.
Our CR is giving some announcement. These people are making unnecessary sounds.
We are done with the day.
Yes.
Tomorrow it's Thursday. We have group discussion and QLR. So hectic.
Yes.
How was your day?
Not bad.
Look, guys, what is she doing?
Guys, I'm thinking about all the tests we have in a few days.
Hi guys, good morning. This is my new haircut. Wait, I got some new bangs. which are actually not visible because I got my hair blow dry. That's it. No straightening, nothing. No heat. So this is my breakfast. So I'll show you what is in my breakfast for today. Today I have some pumpkin seeds and almonds, and then this is bhendi and one egg. This egg doesn't even look like an egg actually. It's overboiled, so don't mind. Because after going to college, camera won't be in my hands anyway. My friends will be taking over my vlog. So it's better if I talk whatever I have to talk right now. Basically, this is flax seeds powder. Instead of having normal water, I mix 2 tablespoons of it in my water and drink it because it's healthy. This is my healthy, powerful breakfast. This is how my pony looks with my new haircut. I really love these bangs. They literally covered my big forehead. So, good morning guys. It's Thursday. And we are heading to our class. It's already 9. So yeah, let's go. Let's go, Diksha. Our FSC class, guys. Morning, such a boring period. Don't even want to listen, but we have to. Hi! Abhishek is very rarely coming in my vlog, guys. Laksh is busy. This guy didn't come for yesterday's DOE session. Our leader is...
Hi, बोल क्या भी
Today we should actually click a photo for my thumbnail.
What photo?
Sir is just there and we are doing all these things. Risk తీసుకుంటేనే life లో మజా ఉంటుంది.
Java class now. We just completed FSC.
Hi guys. Laksh, you want to know?
ఆవి ఈరోజు నువ్వు ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు? ఓవర్ చేయాల్సింది.
Guys, we just completed our Java class and
మంచిగా పెట్టు.
we are group discussion.
Ta-da! Hey Rohita, look here. So here is our group discussion class. Well, we participated in this. In the previous class, we didn't because we didn't had that enough time. But this time we thought let's do it. And the topic we chose was, is education becoming materialistic these days? So we were a team of 6. 3 of us were supporting the statement and 3 of us were against the statement. So me along with my 2 friends Nishita and Rishika, we told that we actually pointed out that these days education, everyone is obsessed with this high salary packages, placements, and how commercial these private institutions have turned, and even the expensive coaching institutions, they have completely turned these degrees into commodities, right? And on the other side, my 3 friends, Dikshita, Rohita, Akhil, they told that education is still not materialistic. They spoke about how it is still a primary tool to break the generational poverty. I hope you understand the term generational poverty, right? It helps to shape the human character and ethics, and we can recall this quote that education is the most powerful weapon with which we can change the world. So while we covered a lot of topics on this jobs and society, I think we still missed out on some points. We missed out on discussing how this free online education is changing things these days, right? So what are your thoughts? Do you think education is just a business today, or does it still hold its true value? Do mention your opinion in the comments.
ఈమెకి ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా వస్తుంది గైస్, ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా వస్తుంది. మాకు ఎన్నో తెలియదు.
మస్తు షేడ్స్ ఉన్నారా నీలా?
నాకు కూడా వస్తుంది.
వాట్ ఎ క్యూట్ ఫెలో.
ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది నాకు ఇక్కడ.
Guys, we are done with our group discussion. We'll have our lunch in the D block now, and then we'll have our aptitude class for next 3 hours.
మళ్ళీ ఈరోజు నువ్వు ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నావు?
Dikshu is busy talking to someone, so yeah, I'm vlogging. Ante.
We just completed our
అరే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇంతసేపు అని అదే చెప్పిన, షీ వాజ్ నాట్ దేర్. నేను మళ్ళీ అది రిపీట్ చేయదలుచుకోండి.
tiger. Do something aesthetic. Saidi, everyone are watching. Guys, look at them. They are seriously discussing something. సాయికి ఏం తెచ్చారు?
It's bhindi and chapati. The same thing that I had in the morning.
Akhil? Wow. And I brought aloo, guys, aloo. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Guys, Medha discovered a new flavor. Not discovered, she's trying it now.
Yeah.
It's so good, guys. You should definitely. What is this flavor?
Nuts. Pistachio and nuts.
Pistachio nuts. It's so good. Give it a try, guys. You will love it.
The second number is decreased by 20. So minus 20. And 21 x వస్తుంది. Then 30 plus 40, 70 వస్తుంది. వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు? Find the sum of the original two numbers. So original two numbers అంటే 7x 11x కదా. So sum అంటే ఏంది రా? 18x కదా. So 18 into 70. 18 7 ల 126. So 1260 is your answer.
We are in QA lab session and I'm too sleepy, guys. Look at this girl.
We got a break now. So we are taking this.
Have some snacks and chill, guys. Chill out. I'm too sleepy.
I am not. I'm listening to the class, understanding the class.
It's too